I've been comparing Google's new deep research tool with Perplexity AI, and after using both extensively, it's clear they each bring something different to the table in 2025. These platforms are part of the growing trend of AI-powered research assistants, but they approach the task in distinct ways, and which one is better really depends on what you're looking for. Google Deep Research is built directly into the Google ecosystem, and it acts like an enhanced version of Google Search. It uses AI to analyze your queries and compile reliable, in-depth overviews from trusted sources across the web. It's ideal for users who want well-structured summaries without having to dig through multiple pages. It also lets you expand sections and explore deeper without losing the original context, which is great for focused learning or topic discovery. Because it's backed by Google, the source quality and ranking system are strong, but it still feels very curated and filtered through Google's lens. On the other hand, Perplexity positions itself as a direct answer engine with a more conversational approach. It pulls real-time data from a wide range of sources and generates detailed, citation-backed responses. What's great about Perplexity is its transparency. You can see exactly where the information is coming from. It also handles follow-up questions well, almost like chatting with a subject matter expert. However, the quality of sources can vary more widely, and sometimes the answers feel a little less refined or more generalized compared to what deep research provides. If your priority is accuracy and integration within your existing tools, Google Deep Research feels polished and dependable. But if you want more flexibility, real-time updates, and transparency in sourcing, Perplexity offers a more open-ended, research-friendly experience. Personally, I see Perplexity as the better tool for deeper exploration, while Deep Research is best for fast, reliable overviews. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a like, share it with anyone comparing AI tools, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching.